aksyon na dapat po natin gawin? Commodore, mismong si Senate President Mig Zubiri na po ang nanawagan sa PCG na putulin o alisin daw ho itong floating barrier ng Chinese Coast Guard dyan sa Bajo de Masinloc. Ano ho ang take nyo on this suggestion?
Thank you, Ms. Cheryl, dito sa question na to, and also for giving me the opportunity to respond to those mga kababayan na nagtatanong, bakit ba hindi agad tahasang pinutol agad ito ng Philippine Coast Guard at ng BFAR kung sakaling namataan na nila agad to, no? So my response to that is that we have to go back to what happened in 2012, no? Wherein it resulted to a standoff between the Philippines and China nitong panahon na to. So in short, there are a lot of complications dito sa Bajo de Masinloc. Kung sakaling magkakaroon tayo ng deliberate action dito, it might result to a provocative incident na hindi natin ginusto lahat. So what we did is we maintained our temper, no? Kahit alam naman natin na Coast Guard ay gusto ng putulin din ito. What we did, we documented it, even asked our media friends to come here dito sa barrier para maisa publiko nila at may report nila. We still believe with the interagency approach natin sa National Task Force West Philippine Sea, of course chaired by the National Security Advisor, Eduardo Año, na ang mga member agencies natin dito include the Department of Foreign Affairs, the Department of Justice, the Department of National Defense. So, from this NDMWPS, they will come up with a positive recommendation to the President. And once the Commander-in-Chief decides whatever actions are necessary for us to carry out, makakaasa po kayo sa Philippine Coast Guard, sa Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, and even the Armed Forces of the Philippines, no? Na agad po naming actionan kung ano magiging desisyon ng ating pong Pangulo.